Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to operate this washing machine. In our case, I've recorded some videos on how to remove the transportation bolts on this machine. So if you can check on the previous videos. So first of all, I'm going to teach you the things I've learned with this machine. Yeah, there are very many things that you're going to learn. So what you see here, I've connected the washing machine to the electricity. So this part here is where you put the detergents, the powder. Then you have this other part you can put the liquid fluids. So we have this knob here. In case you are new to the washing machine, you have to listen careful. Have this knob here that will control the machine to different computer modes. So before we turn it on, so what we're going to do, we're going to learn, and after learning, I'm going to wash these clothing. I have only the shirts, then the towel. Then when you reach here, if you have things that are very dirty, like trousers, and they are the same color, like cotton, you can put in this cotton here. And if you want an eco mode, you can use also this one up. Then you have these other modes, and I'm going to show you the ones I've used. When I bought the machine, I started using this program here because I saw that word eco. I didn't want electricity to go a lot, but the machine has its own program whereby it has its mechanism for saving power sometimes because it goes off, then it comes back. Then I have this program here, the one for cotton. And let's do this. Let's power on the machine, then I show you why I was switching between these programs. So with this program, first of all, this program it is going to run for 3 hours and 28 minutes, and to show you what is going to happen.